Finally! It's finally happening. Now it's on the other one.
Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m.
God, I finally got it.
During the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability between 11 a.m. and noon can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test.
Finally.
For the following counties: Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.